In this video, I will show you how to add a zip code to a vanilla gift card. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come across to the official vanilla gift card website. So you want to come across to myvanillagiftcard.com. And once you're on here, to actually go ahead and add your zip code, what I would recommend first is that you do have the gift card to hand, as this does make this process a lot easier. Now, in order to add a zip code, what you're going to actually have to do, if we come up to the frequently asked questions up here, give this a click. And what you're going to want to do is actually give them a call. So you can see the number here, so you want to make sure this is from the official vanilla gift card website. And to go ahead and add a zip code to your card, what you're going to want to do is call the number given and then explain to the customer representative over the phone that you want to add a zip code to the vanilla gift card. So that's how to go ahead and add a zip code to a vanilla gift card. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.